In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a Zoom meeting. Locking a meeting in Zoom is a useful way to ensure that no new participants can join once your session has started. This can be particularly helpful if you're discussing sensitive information, or if you simply want to prevent any disturbances after the meeting has begun. So, let's dive in and go through this process step by step. First, it's important to have your Zoom meeting already started and yourself logged in as the host. You must be the host of the meeting to have access to these moderation tools. If you aren't automatically the host, make sure you have permission, or have your host set you up as a co-host for the meeting. Now, with your meeting in progress, take a look at the bottom of your Zoom window. There you will find an array of controls. Find the Participants button and click on it. This will open a panel on the right side of your screen, displaying the list of everyone currently attending the meeting. This panel is where you'll manage participant controls, including the ability to lock the meeting. Next, direct your attention to the bottom of this Participants panel, where you'll see a button labeled Host Controls, or simply More, depending on your version of the Zoom client. Click on this button to open a menu or a list of options. Here, you'll find several tools designed to help you manage the meeting. Among these is the option to Lock Meeting. To lock your meeting, simply toggle the Lock Meeting option on. It's usually just a click of a button, and once activated, you'll see some kind of visual confirmation indicating that the meeting has been locked. This action prevents any new participants from joining the session. Even if someone has already been invited and has the password, they will not be able to enter the meeting once it's locked. This adds an extra layer of control and privacy to your session, ensuring a secure environment where you'll be able to focus without interruptions. A quick tip here. If you anticipate needing to lock and unlock the meeting multiple times, familiarize yourself with these steps before the meeting begins. This way, you'll be prepared to act swiftly without needing to pause or disrupt your session to re-familiarize yourself with the controls. Once your meeting is locked, you'll need to remember to unlock it if you wish to allow any additional participants to join later. You can do this by going back to the same host controls menu and toggling the Lock Meeting option off. Keep in mind that automatically unlocking a meeting opens it up, so always be aware of the participants entering your call. And there you have it, a secured and undisturbed meeting environment with just a few simple steps. Locking a Zoom meeting is an excellent way to maintain the integrity and focus of your sessions. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out our channel for more tips on how to make the most of your digital meetings.